On behalf of IFA and the Meadows Club, a very hearty welcome to all of you. How are you all doing? Are you ready for a fantastic entertainment program tonight? Okay. How was the program last year? Okay, so we have some fabulous dancers here tonight, ladies and gentlemen, to entertain you. The program, once again, is going to be East meets West, Hollywood meets Bollywood, and whatever you can call it. Are we ready? Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we begin with an exposition on the classical element of Bollywood. Bollywood has been known to incorporate all kinds of music from around the world and give its own very special twist to this music. And tonight, we have two wonderful dancers who will be presenting a very classical Indian dance called Tarana. Do you remember seeing the movie Thakshak? One of the better movies made in recent times with the music by the Oscar-winning music composer A.R. Rahman. Tonight, to perform the Tarana from Thakshak are two wonderful dancers, Joya Kazi Banerjee, who has just been recently married, and the wonderful Gloria Lanuza. The dance is choreographed by Shivani Thakkar, the one who originated the MKM Bolly Stars. Ladies and gentlemen, here are Joya and Gloria with the Tarana from Thakshak. Let's go.
He
That was wonderful. Ladies and gentlemen, Joya Kazi and Gloria Lanuza. And that was the Tarana from Takshak. Now in Indian movies, over the last 50 years, you've seen one staple, apart from the classical Indian dances, we also see the element of cabaret. For several decades now, the people, when we were back in India, we used to love the dances of Helen and Padma Khanna and a whole bunch of other people. And of late, we see that the heroines themselves have become item dancers. Today, the vamp, if you think back in those years, the vamp was someone whom you wanted to know, but whom you never wanted to be seen with. And today, you want to be seen with the item numbers and the item dancers because they are all your regular heroines. So times have changed. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight, exposing the cabaret element of Bollywood and dancing to an instrumental piece from Lavaris is the lovely Jessica Buchman. Please welcome the gorgeous Jessica Buchman dancing to the instrumental piece from the movie Lavaris. That was gorgeous. Ladies and gentlemen, don't you think this girl was better than the original Lavaris? 3 cheers to Jessica. That was wonderful. Now, ladies and gentlemen, there is this term which has been invented in the US. For all the second generation Indians, they now call them Desi boys and Desi girls. Now why that's done, God alone knows. And then the phenomena now is that there are a whole bunch of mainstream Americans who want to dance to these Desi rhythms, and they want to be called as Desi boys and Desi girls. So ladies and gentlemen, presenting a medley of the Desi girl, the Desi boys, and to watch them twist, please welcome the MKM Bolly Stars, choreographed by Shivani Thakkar, Joya Kazi, Megan Nichols, Devon Raxton, Jack Tyler, presenting before you the hit medley, Desi Girl, Make some noise for the Desi Boys and Twist. Let's go. Wow! Wasn't that fantastic? The Desi boys and the Desi girls. Megan, JT, Joya, and Devon Raxton. A big hand for them. Ladies and gentlemen, the influence of the Mexican and Latin American dances on Indian films has been huge. A whole bunch of dances, like the salsa, the flamenco, the cha-cha, have been taken up by Indian choreographers, and they have given a fantastic new twist. To present a very famous song from the movie Guzarish, directed by Sanjay Leela Bhansali, who also directed some phenomenal movies like Devdas, and then he has come up with this new movie, which is going to be released shortly, called Ram Leela. To present the song Udi from the movie Guzarish, please welcome the gorgeous Gloria Lanuza. Wow. Wasn't Gloria glorious? That was a fantastic flamenco set to the Indian film hit Guzarish by Gloria. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Gloria Lanuza. Now let's get to some important things first. There is an SUV Infiniti EX35 outside whose lights are on. So by the time you get out of here, you won't be able to drive home. So please go and get the lights off and rush back in here because we are just about ready to get into our next item, which is another fantastic dance. And you know what? This is set to some folk Arabian dance with some props. The dancers are the phenomenal Jessica Buchman and Eliza, and they'll be presenting to you the spirit of Rangila. Do you remember the movie Rangila? Here are Eliza and Jessica performing to the spirit of Rangila. He has taken it worldwide. His music has caught the fancy of millions across the world. Today, he not only composes for Hollywood, he composes for Bollywood and a whole generation of new films from across the world. As Indians, we are all proud of him because he won the Oscars for the movie Slumdog Millionaire and made history when he won that award. Recently, Rahman composed music for a fabulous new movie called Rockstar, starring the young Ranbir Kapoor and directed by Imtiaz Ahmed, and it went on to become a big hit in India, and the songs of Rockstar were appreciated all over simply because of the fabulous diversity they had in the way they were composed and way they were presented. Ladies and gentlemen, we have taken fancy to a song called Hawa Hawa from that movie, Rockstar. Indeed, it's airy, it's fairy, it's beautiful and very well presented. Presenting Hawa Hawa are the wonderfully talented dancers of MKM Bolly Stars. The dance is choreographed by Gloria Lanuza and features Devon Raxton, Megan Nichols, Zoya Kazi, J.D. Tyler, and of course, the choreographer herself, Gloria Lanuza. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the MKM Bolly Stars presenting Hawa Hawa.
9 2 11 जाती तो घिसके आती एक दिन मैं जूते 12 राजा का चढ़ गया पारा खबरी को फांस पुकारा ये क्या है माजरा देखो ओ जाती कहाँ है खबरी न पीछा किया रानी को घर से आता को दो जख्म जाते देखा शोले दहके रानी बहके नाच रंगीले सब जहरीले खबरी चकराया उल्टे पाँव रुक गया तो बदलाया उसने हवा हवा रानी हवा 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 नाची रे मगन छोड़ा माहिया सिपाहिया ओ जो नाचे धाए धाए रुके ना फिर पाँव 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 हवा हवा जीना है हवा हवा रुके ना फिर पाँव 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 राजा थल्लाया रोजाना बारह जूतों को घिस रानी किस्सा है ऐसा हवा 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 पाँव रुके ना किसी के रोके ये तो चलेंगे नच लेंगे यहाँ वहाँ यार मस्ती में चलेंगे नच लेंगे यहाँ वहाँ जहाँ तहाँ कहाँ कहाँ कौन चिक 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 तारा चिक चिक तारा ओ अस्तित्व मेरा
That was gorgeous. Hawa Hawa from the movie Rockstar, performed by Gloria, JT, Devon, Megan, and Joya. Choreographed by Gloria Lanuza. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Hawa Hawa. Big hand for Hawa Hawa. Every time we think of choosing songs on which some brilliant dancers can dance, we always seem to hit upon the name of A.R. Rahman. 8 out of 10 songs we pick always seem to belong to A.R. Rahman. Like in the past, in the 60s and 70s and 80s, when we used to think of some movies which people could dance on, we always thought of Pancham or R.D. Burman. And today, it is A.R. Rahman. The next song is going to be presented in the dance form of salsa and cha-cha by a brilliant dancer who runs her own academy here called Studio Viva. Ladies and gentlemen, Dora Barotti is a phenomenal dancer, a phenomenal guru of salsa, and a wonderful presenter of this form of dance. And today she adapts that art to a beautiful song from the movie Delhi 6, directed by Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra, called Masakali. Do you all remember Masakali? Ladies and gentlemen, here is the glorious Dora Barotti and Clepis Sparks presenting Masakali from Delhi 6.
मसक्कली मसक्कली उड़ मटक्कली मटक्कली 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 जरा पंख झटक गई धूल अटक और लचक मचक के दूर भटक उड़ डगर डगर कसबे कूचे नुक्कड़ बस्ती में ये इतड़ी से मुड़ अदा से उड़ कर ले पूरी दिल की तमन्ना हवा से जुड़ अदा से उड़ फुर 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 तू हीरो बना रे मसक्कली मसक्कली उड़ मटक्कली मटक्कली मसक्कली मसक्कली उड़ मटक्कली मटक्कली बादल की कॉलोनी दिखला दे ठेंगा इन सबको जो उड़ना ना जाने उड़ियो ना डरियो कर मनमानी 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 बढ़ियो ना मुड़ियो कर नादानी उड़ियो ना डरियो कर मनमानी 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 बढ़ियो ना मुड़ियो कर नादानी मुस्कान ले कैसा ना 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 हवा बस ठान ले तू जान ले कैसा ना 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 हवा मसक्कली मसक्कली उड़ मटक्कली मटक्कली मसक्कली 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 उड़ मटक 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 तुझे क्या गम तेरा रिश्ता गगन की बांसुरी से है पवन की गुफ्तगू से है सूरज की रोशनी से है उड़ियो ना डरियो कर मनमानी 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 बढ़ियो ना मुड़ियो कर नादानी उड़ियो ना डरियो कर मनमानी 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 बढ़ियो ना मुड़ियो कर नादानी मुस्कान ले कैसा ना 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 हवा बस ठान ले तू जान ले कैसा ना 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 हवा मसक्कली मसक्कली उड़ मटक मटक मटक्कली मसक्कली मस मस मसक्कली मटक मटक
Wow, that was a lovely Dora Barotti and Cletus Sparks presenting Masakali from Delhi 6, composed by A.R. Rahman. Wasn't that wonderful or what? A big hand for Dora and Cleppus. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we get on to another very famous and foot-tapping number by A.R. Rahman. Now, this piece will challenge your nerves because it's called Mukkala Mukabla, the fabulous number composed by A.R. Rahman, made immortal by that wonderful dancing star, Prabhu Deva. Do you all remember Mukkala Mukabla? Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Mukkala Mukabla are two of the young MKM Bolly stars, the wonderfully talented Devon Raxton and the lovely Megan Nichols. Please welcome Devon and Megan presenting Mukkala Mukabla.
स्ट्रॉबेरी जैसी आंख लव स्टोरी बन जाने दे किक थोड़ी चढ़ जाने दे
होठों पे सबके दिल का तराना है
मुक्काला मुकाबला लेला ओहो लेला मुकाबला सुभान अल्लाह लेला ओहो लेला
Wow. Devon and Megan, give them a big hand for Mukkala. Ladies and gentlemen, salsa has become such an integral part of Bollywood today. There have been movies made on this form of dance with the story woven around the dance. Tonight, we have a wonderfully talented group with their dance leader and choreographer, Denita Inez. And they'll be presenting Di Sueno Cinco Breakout Salsa to some gorgeous music, which I think features some Philharmonic music also combined into salsa. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Denita Inez and group performing Di Sueno Cinco Breakout in the salsa form of dance.
Denita Inez dances and De Sueño, presenting a preview of the piece Cinco. Enjoy.
That was beautiful. A wonderful exposition of the salsa form of dance by these wonderfully talented young dancers led by Denita Inez. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for Denita Inez and her group. As we come to the last item of tonight's dance performances, are you all ready to get intoxicated? तल्ली हो जाने के लिए तैयार हो? Jai Ho! Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Talli Ho Gayi and Jai Ho are the wonderfully talented dancers from MKM Bolly Stars. From California, led by Gloria Lanuza, Joya Kazi, Megan Nichols, Devon Raxton, and the handsome Jack Tyler. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the MKM Bolly Stars with Talli Ho Gayi and Jai Ho.
Put your hands up, put your hands up, yeah. Put your hands up, put them up there. Put your hands up, come put your hands up, come put them up like you just don't care. Put your hands up, put your hands up, yeah. Put your hands up, put them up there. Put your hands up, come put your hands up, come put them up like you just don't care.
Jai Ho, wow. That was a fantastic finale to a fantastic performance by these wonderfully talented dancers. And now, ladies and gentlemen, Let me introduce all of them to you, one by one. From the MKM Bolly Stars. Let's go, Raj. Gloria Lanuza. Yvonne Raxton. Zoya Ghazi. Banerjee. Jack Tyler. The Crazy Jut. Megan Nichols. The lovely Megan Nichols. Please welcome the gorgeous Jessica and the lovely Eliza. Please welcome the beautiful Dora Barotti and Clepis Sparks. Now the gorgeous salsa dancers led by Donita Inez. Come on guys, let's see it again. Yvonne, Gloria, Zoya, Jack, Megan, Janita, Jessica, Eliza, Dora, and Clepis. A big hand to all of these people, these wonderfully talented dancers. Ladies and gentlemen, the MKM Bolly Stars, Donita Inez, Dora Barotti of Studio Viva. A big hand to all of these wonderful dancers. A big hand to all of these wonderful dancers once again. Let's hear it for them. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. See you all next year.